Good afternoon, class. I'm going to share with you a game that we're going to play today to enhance our study of branding in our entrepreneurship class. We're going to play Jeopardy. It's a game board. I don't know how many of you have ever played it before, but I'm going to show you how, and then we will go into the game. Okay, we're looking at branding and the effects on branding through the use of commercials with jingles, logos, taglines, and slogans, and more. So we're going to start with this. For example, we have the Jeopardy board set up with categories, and under each category, you're going to have a amount of points that you can get. The moderator or the teacher will select, you'll call out the category. You're divided into teams, and each team will get an opportunity to play the game on rounds. We'll do rounds. And so like team one will say jingles for 100, and they'll go to jingles. We'll get started and go to jingles for 100, and the question comes up. My Bologna has a first name, and you'll have 5 seconds to answer the question from your team. What your team will be able to do is either call out the answer or write it in the chat. When that 5 seconds is up, you will have to be finished with that particular round for that team. So if you get it and you say, what is Oscar Mayer? You're going to answer the question that is given with the answer that's given with the question. What is Oscar Mayer? That's for team one. So team one will get the 100 points. Okay. Then we go on to team two. Team two says jingles for 100. I'm loving it is the answer. It comes up and they have 5 seconds. The music will be playing, da, 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 and then somebody will shout out, McDonald's, I'm loving it. And you've got it, and we could play the jingle there with McDonald's. Okay, you got that? So, however, and they win that point, let's go on to team three. Team three will get an opportunity. They'll say, we want to do mascots for 200. They get the mascot up. They have 5 seconds to answer it. Da, 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 da. And they don't get the right answer. Team three will get a minus 200. And so we play the game until all teams have had the opportunity till the board is cleared. And it's the team with the most points at the end of the game will win. If that team has a tie, we will do a one round of one column of the Jeopardy, and the team that comes out with the most points wins. And the amount of time that you have, the reward will be that night you will have, or the one night this week, you will get free homework pass for the team that wins. Okay, let's play.